Man, we out here at the creek, man. It's FishNBuds, yo. Trying to get it in today. First fish of the day, little crappie. You got off? Oh. Uh-oh. Might have to put a little crappie jig on. You got him, Will? Okay. We got the small fish coming in right now. First fish, bro. Keep first fish. We'll throw them back, you know, after a while. We'll throw them back. I ain't tripping on that. First fish, you gotta keep. Man, caught a crappie off the worm, y'all. So small, I didn't even know the little guy was on there. Man, I remember we was out there. Yeah, at Lester spot. Getting some? Uh-oh. Starting to get warm here at the creek. When this creek start hitting, you can't keep a pole in the water. That's just how that go. Stay tuned though. We right here with FishNBuds. Mark the shark. My boy Ill Will out here. We ready. Yep. Oh, little catfish, bro. Little catfish, bro. Yep. Little catfish out here at the creek. Yeah. Good day at the creek. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Come here. Catfish. Hey, hey, that's a little bit bigger though. FishNBuds, baby. Mark the shark. We getting it in. Creek fishing. Good creek fishing. Yeah. 2 catfish back to back out here. Get my other pole, man. That thing sink to the bottom and I won't stand a chance. With or without braiding line. Yeah, we're rocking the Shakespeare ugly sticks today, with the exception of Lou's American Hero. Go ahead and changing that bait. They don't seem to want that. See what they do want. Probably want that ugly color. Get my ugly color here in a sec. Get catfish off the line. Mark the shark. We in here, baby. Another one. And another one. Mark the shark, baby. Little catfish today. I'm ready for these big ones to come through. Yep. I'm ready for the big ones to come through, but we'll stay catching these little ones for now until the big ones come. That's how you get them. Right there, underneath, so the prongs don't hit you. You watch out over there. Tilt the hook. Oh, see now. Pop it out. Come here. Come here, little mom. Properly secure. I know. Little cat. Man, he tried to take my ugly stick in the water. It probably ain't even that big. Oh. A daggone bluegill. He fat. Man, try to take my ugly stick in the water, bro. I'm so glad I had that pole holder on. Man, boy, I ain't had no pole holder. My ugly stick was gone. Straight up. Yeah, I'm over here trying to get this bait right. Net. Get him in here, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You hit that motherfucker.
Oh, shit. Okay. FishNBuds. Yes, sir.
All right, bro. Go
That's
check
the
on
one
your
you
phone,
need.
bro.
That's the one you need right there, bro. Man. FishNBuds right here, baby. We doing a little creek fishing. Sandwich.
They active, man.
Sandwich.
Yes, sir.
That water warming up.
Hey, it's warming up. I can feel. Yeah, I can feel it.
Need them pliers or something?
Yeah, you got them over there?
Yeah, I got them. Come here, baby. Catfish, baby. Catfish.
Oh, you put his ass in the bucket.
Yes, sir. We out here at the creek, baby, FishNBuds. Mark the shark. My boy Ill Will out here. We good. Need the net? Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, I did. Got him?
Yeah, I got them up.
Heck yeah. Catfish, baby.
Another cat, baby.
Another cat, baby. We out here. Mark the shark, baby. Ill Will out here. We good.
Yeah, it,
all right. Nah, I ain't got nothing. Oh, I do got him. Little bluegill, Will. I put him in the bucket. Good fish. Catfish. Catfish. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
got you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got you, motherfucker.
FishNBuds, baby. Mark the shark.
Yeah, buddy.
Mark the shark right here on FishNBuds, baby. Yes, sir. Catfish, he don't want to come up. Catfish. Catfish. Damn. He's fat right there. He's not big, but he's fat. Ooh, I barely hooked him. Barely hooked him. Y'all see that? Got him right in the top. 2-aught. Eagle claw, baby. Gonna get him in every time. Shakespeare ugly stick. Y'all see how we go. Man, he's nice. Let me make a sandwich. FishNBuds, baby. Mark the shark. We're doing creek fishing right now. Little catfish. Just trying to get some sandwiches, you know. Mark the shark. FishNBuds. Out here with my boy Will. We in here. FishNBuds. Mark the shark. Boy Ill Will, man. We just did some creek fishing. Got a few in the bucket. And we out of here, man. That's FishNBuds. We're gonna catch y'all next time.